Hi kids, today we learn this and that. What is near to you is this, what is far from you is that. This is a lion. That is a zebra. This is a lion. That is a zebra. This is a ball. That is a bat. This is a ball. That is a bat. This is a book. That is a pen. This is a book. That is a pen. This is a tree. That is a lotus. This is a tree. That is a lotus. This is a dog. That is a cat. This is a dog. That is a cat. This is an ice cream. That is a mango. This is an ice cream. That is a mango. This is a girl. That is a boy. This is a girl. That is a boy. This is an umbrella. That is a kite. This is an umbrella. That is a kite. This is an orange. That is a bird. This is an orange. That is a bird. This is a rat. That is a doll. This is a rat. That is a doll.